subscribers! Welcome back to another vlog. So if you're new here, hello, my name is Zhia. I'm a 19-year-old content creator from the Philippines. So for today's video, as you can see in the title below, we are going to be doing a product review / first impressions of the new and improved formula of Shimmer Tints by Colourette Cosmetics. Before I start this video, disclaimer lang, I am not a professional beauty guru. I just want to share my thoughts and opinion regarding this product by Colourette Cosmetics. These are the shimmer tints that are back and better than ever before. So, based on my research, meron na palang shimmer tints before, pero marami lang siyang mga cons. And nanood din kasi ako ng mga reviews nung old formula nila na shimmer tints. But this one is the new and improved daw. But let's not go in depth sa old formula nila na shimmer tints since hindi ko naman nasubukan myself. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video. So, this is the Shimmertint Multi-Use Liquid Highlighter by Colourette. Ito yung packaging niya. Ito yung nasa front. It's holographic packaging. Tapos, yung size niya, merong Beauty in All Ways. Ito yung parang tagline ng Colourette. Then, sa sides, wala. Then, sa other side naman, it has their logo, which stands for Colourette. Tapos, yung pinaka mismong likod ng packaging, it says, "These long-wearing, weightless, and intensely pigmented multi-use liquid highlighters melt into skin for an instant luminous glow. They can be used in 3 ways: blend them into foundation, dab them on top of makeup, or wear them alone for a healthy-looking glow. This is perfect for completing your look on both casual days and extra nights. Shimmer up in seconds, boss babe." So it's available in 4 radiant shades, which is perfect for all Filipina skin tones. First is Crystal Prism, which is the champagne blush. Next is Yellow Diamond, Soft Golden Pearl. Third one is Rose Quartz, which is giving us a crystal pink effect on our face. Tapos yung last but not least is Tiger's Eye. It's an iridescent bronze, exclusively manufactured from the Philippines. So you just have to slide na lang. Ayan, super easy to open. Tapos, yung unang-una nyo makikita is yung mga stickers from Colourette. It's a sticker sheet. Merong shimmer tints, tapos Boss Babe, Colourette. And then, eto na yung pinaka-mismong product nila, yung box inside. Ayan, holographic talaga yung packaging niya. So, if I would rate the packaging, I would rate it 10 out of 10. Nag-effort talaga sila. Tapos, I feel special nung inopen ko siya kasi parang siyang talagang PR, ganong levels, parang PR. Pero by the way, this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. Gusto ko lang, magawa ng video sa YouTube. Anyway, the retail price for each is 349 pesos. And it already has 10 ml inside sa product. Tapos, yung set naman is 1,299 pesos, which comes with a free Colourette sticker sheet, tapos yung 4 na shimmer tints na. Okay, so let's start swatching it from the right to the left. Okay, let's go. So, ayan. Yung packaging niya, same pa din. It has Beauty in All Ways, yung tagline ng Colourette. Then, Colourette logo sa baba. Tapos, yung shade name sa top. Yung ingredients. Basta everything that you have to know about the product is in the box or in the packaging. So, ayan. Let's open it na. Ang daldal ko, no? Ayan. This is what it looks like. Yung pinaka-mismong product nila. Okay, so as you can see and hear, bottle po yung lalagyanan nila. So, I think mababasag siya. So, you have to be careful. You have to be really careful with the product. Regarding with the smell, it's kind of giving me a vanilla scent. Parang vanilla na amoy. But personally, I love vanilla. But I have friends kasi na ayaw nila sa vanilla scent. So, ayan, if you guys don't like vanilla as well, then don't worry kasi minimal lang naman siya and hindi over. I mean, what I mean with over is like yung parang masakit na siya sa nose. Yun. Then yung applicator niya is large dough applicator. Ayan, super taba ng applicator na to. Merong ganito na applicator yung sa what you call that? Sa concealer. I forgot the brand, basta concealer yon. I will just insert a picture right here kung makikita ko siya. Kung hindi ko makikita, then comment down below and tulungan niyo ako. Anyway, let's swatch na. Ang dami kong hanash, no? Wow! Girl, damn! So far, so good. Parang gusto ko tong shade na to. What's this nga? Crystal Prism. Okay. Parang bagay siya sa mga fair skin. Ayan. And also, yung formula, it reminds me of, parang mousse siguro na, mga creams or moisturizer / lotion. Blending talaga siya, girl. Next, we are gonna swatch the Yellow Diamond. Oh my god. This one is perfect for all skin tones. Yung Yellow Diamond. Pwede ito pang morena, then pwede din ito pang fair skin. Yung Yellow Diamond. Third shade that we're going to swatch is Rose Quartz. Girl. Ayan siya. Pwede ito pang eyeshadow. Or if your skin then is fair, then maganda din tong Rose Quartz. Bet ko to. Oh, by the way, nakita ko sa video ni Miss Nina. Okay, so it has a stopper to prevent spills. So, no need to shake anymore. Yun yung sabi ni Miss Nina. Plinlay ko talaga yung video para, ma-share ko lang sa inyo guys. Just in case, hindi nyo pa nakikita yung video or yung vlog ni Miss Nina, CEO. So, yeah, that's why it prevents spills because it has a stopper inside. And also, mas solid yung formula nito compared to the old formula. So, the last but not the least shade that we're gonna swatch is the Tiger's Eye. This is the Tiger's Eye. It's the iridescent bronze. And as you can see, medyo dark siya. I think this is perfect for morena skin tone. So, this is how it looks like. Oh my god. Pigmented ka, girl. But personally, I wouldn't want to put this shade on my cheekbones as highlight or something. Siguro, I will put this on my eyes kasi this is perfect for like everyday look. Kasi pag nag-eyeshadow ako on a daily basis, gusto ko yung mga brownish shade or mga parang natural lang like this one. Mga ganito. Sa contour powder ko kasi yun yung madalas na ginagamit ko. So, let's try this one sa eyelids ko. Oh my god! Kikita ba? Siguro I will zoom you guys in. Or hindi na. Oh! Okay. Ibe-blend ko siya kasi the product claims na blendable daw siya. So, wait lang. I-zoom ko muna kayo para makita nyo, diba? Wow! Blendable nga! Oh my god! Hello, in fairness. Woo! Parang medyo nakukulangan ako sa right side. So, lalagyan ko pa siya. Uy, in fair! Oh my god, ang bango pa. Ang bango niya, guys. No joke. Gusto ko kasi yung bias kasi ako sa mga vanilla scents. So, ayan. That's how it looks like. Okay, so next is Rose Quartz. Ilalagay ko siya dito sa right cheekbones. Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh, girl! Ito yung side na merong shimmer tint, tapos ito yung wala. Oh my god, hindi nga halata nga meron akong highlighter. Para lang siyang subtle, ganon, parang it's me lang. Ako lang to. Hala, pwede din siyang ilagay dito pala. I will try that later. Pag na-figure out ko na kung ano yung... this one. I will put this Yellow Diamond dito sa aking... What do you call this? Collarbones. Oh my god, girl. Na-din lustre. Pak na pa. Uy, in fair. Oh my god. Uy, ang ganda. Promise. No joke. I'm in love with the shape of future eh. Wali. Tapos yung product nila, guys. Ala, na-mix. Oh my god, girl. I'm ready. I'm ready to go to events. Lalagay ko to. Hala, girl. Ang ganda. Nagsha-shine siya. It's super luminous. It's luminous and gives you a blinding glow. Oh my god, it's a new Skye Zhia 2.0. Then we're gonna try the Crystal Prism on the left side sa aking cheekbones. Charing. Hala. Hala, maganda din yung crystal prism. This one is crystal prism, tapos this one is rose quartz. Then this one is tiger eye, tapos ito naman is yellow diamond. I think yung pinaka-favorite ko is yung crystal prism. This one gives you a more blinding effect. Tapos yung rose quartz, parang subtle lang siya. Parang, you know, very, very light lang of highlight. Very, very light of highlight. Then, yung tiger eye, ayan, nakikita nyo naman, this is perfect for your eyelid. If you have a fair skin, it's perfect for the eyelid. If you're always on the go, then you can just put this on, tapos blend nyo lang since it's super easy to blend. The yellow diamond though, oh my god. Let's put this nga sa aking nose line. Oh! Uy, ang ganda! Gusto ko to. Wala, gusto ko din yung yellow diamond. Oh my god, okay. Maganda lahat ng shades. In all fairness. Then also here. Pwede na akong umattend ng event. Perfect to pag nagbe-beach ka or like nag-off shoulder. You should put this on your collarbones. And dito kasi nag-shine talaga siya. Shining, shimmering, splendid, girl! So far, so good. I'm liking this product talaga. No bias. So, ayan, my rating. This is a proof na matibay yung bottle ng Colourette Cosmetics kasi nabasag, nahulog siya. And hindi naman nasira. So, whew, okay. That's 10 out of 10 for me. So, is it worth it? Is 349 pesos worth it for a 10 ml product of Shimmertint? Yes, it is worth it. You should give it a try. If I would rank the shades, I would go with the Crystal Prism as my #1, top of my list, followed by Yellow Diamond kasi perfect for all skin types siya. So, that's why I like it. Kasi pwede kami mag-share. Pwede kami mag-share ng sister ko since my sister has a morena skin. Medium to morena yung skin niya. So, pwede sa kanya yung yellow diamond. Plus, it's super good. It looks super good sa aking, collarbones, yung yellow diamond. Third on the list is Tiger's Eye since pwede ko siyang gawing eyeshadow on an everyday basis. Then, last but not the least is Rose Quartz since lang siya, parang natural, more on the natural effect siya or like, subtle lang yung effect niya sa skin ko. Yun yung mga thoughts and opinions ko, guys, ha. And also pala, this product, yung highlighter or yung shimmer tints ng Colourette is super lightweight. I mean, it's weightless. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. If you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. Follow me on all of my social media accounts. Everything is at Zhia. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!
It could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you and I loved him. We could